Coming up next, give it up for Travis Addison, everybody. Travis Addison.
How's everybody doing? I feel stupid. I just ordered like 2 pounds of oysters, and she told me that birds don't take EBT. I'm like, what do you mean you don't take food stamps? I thought EBT stands for everybody take. I just want a quart of blue cheese on my damn EBT card. Anyway, I just got back from Atlanta, Georgia. I was up there hanging out, and man, it felt like Christmas up there. Everywhere you went, you seen Christmas items. I'm like, dude, what's going on? You know, I couldn't believe it. The other day, I picked my son up from school, and he says to me, Daddy, my teacher, Mr. Belvedere, said Santa Claus bring a lot of toys and a lot of gifts. I said, yeah? He said, yeah, Santa Claus. He said, Santa Claus is a white man, a rich man, and a jolly man. I said, oh, yeah? Oh, well, go back and tell your teacher, Mr. Belvedere, that your daddy said that your Santa Claus is a black man, a broke man, and a grumpy man. Santa Claus might say ho, 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 but Dad sometimes got to say no, no, no. Are you serious? Man, I tell you, my grandparents, they were real strict. My grandparents, when they started shopping for Christmas, it was like Christmas Eve. I was looking to get like one gift. You know, where I come from, we didn't even have a Christmas tree. We hung our ornaments up on hat racks and coat racks. I had some really, really cheap grandparents, cheap and broke. What a combination. Strict, cheap, and broke. My grandparents were so cheap, they both shared the same toothbrush. He was like, come on, try. I said, no, granddad, that's too much togetherness. I might be 6 years old, but I know better. I'm not stupid. Yeah, I recently auditioned for this TV show called Naked and Afraid. You guys ever heard of Naked and Afraid? Yeah, I auditioned for it. I sent them 12 naked photos. They called me back too. They said, Travis. We have reviewed your naked photos and we have determined that we are afraid. I said, why? We don't want elephants in the jungle. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all laughing at my jokes or you laughing at me? Which is it? Either way, just have a good time. Shit, drink some beer, hit a joint. Not in here though, you know what I'm saying. You can follow. I can't say it on air, sorry. But anyway, guys, I'm having a pretty good time. It's been a while since I've been here. About 2 or 3 months. I love coming to Birds, man. I want to share experience with you guys. This is a true story. Please listen. Everybody listen. A true story I'm about to tell you. I'm not lying. Me and my grandmother's a God-fearing woman. She loves church, right? She never curses, none of that. We were on an airplane, right? I was like 6 years old. And the airplane was going down. True story. The pilot, he comes on the loudspeaker, he says, we're having problems with the airplane. We just dumped all the gas, we threw up all the luggage. So I'm like, look over my grandmother, and she's like, oh, Lord have mercy, Jesus. I'm like, what's going on? You know what I'm saying? So the guy goes, we need more weight. We got to throw more weight off the airplane. He said, let me start alphabetical order. We got to start throwing people off. I said, okay. So first alphabet starts with an A. He says, I need all African Americans to jump out the airplane.
I didn't laugh.
Am I getting better?
No, great.
I need all African Americans to jump off the airplane. Okay. I look at my grandmother like, Lord Jesus. Oh, grandma, you praying? Nobody move, right? So he says, we start with B. I need all the black people to jump on the airplane. So I'm looking at my grandmother, she's doing the same thing. Lord Jesus. Nobody moved. He's on letter C. I need all the console jump on the airplane. I said, wait a minute now. I might be 6 years old. I ain't stupid. We got to be A, B, or C. I said, Grandma, aren't we A, B, or C? She said, nah, baby, we in. We gonna be niggas today.
Hey, thank you for having me. I'm not a racist. I'm just being funny, all right?
Keep it going for Kevin Hart, everybody. Travis Addison. Just kidding. Travis Addison.